Hi friends, welcome to JS Binary. Today I'm gonna speak about some of the factors. So recent days I was communicated with some of my students and a few other colleague and other friend, and I got to know there is a pandemic problem happening. There is a effect going on along with the pandemic where people are facing lot of issues with mental health, and they are getting depressed day by day as things are not moving as before. All our plans and everything got postponed and we were not able to execute stuff. So here I thought of coming back along with my videos and some of the tips and tricks how I have overcome my fear and my problem with pandemic and also joblessness. So I can understand this time is critical all over the world for all of us, but still we have to make sure that we will utilize this time. People who are getting affected by the virus and who are sick, I hope they will get well soon and they'll back to their normal life and take care of their health. But this is a learning phase for all of us to understand that our normal life also need attention, and also we need to stay connected with nature. And it's just like you can see, most of the healing is happening because of the self improvement and because of the positive vibes that people are creating in their mind. There is no medicine, no vaccine so far. Still, people are getting healed. How it is? This is just only because of their positivity and the positive willpower to get out of it. So let's get into the factors. Whoever are there, students who are waiting for their graduation and waiting to be graduated, or people who are waiting for a new job, don't be hopeless. Start brushing your skills so that post pandemic you're gonna get a lot of knowledge skill onto the table. So face your fears where you are lagging at. Let's say you have fear of writing codes, doing designs, or creating different schema, or understanding a flow from end to end. So as I'm a software developer, that's why I'm talking about all this factor which is involved in software, but I would like you should relate it to your field as well, so where you are working. So try to see what are the extension can be done to your work, or what could be the external skills or essentials that can bring new productivity and improve on your skill. So whenever you will work, you will get the wisdom. See, knowledge and wisdom are two different factors. Knowledge which we acquire by reading, observing, due to different cognitive capture of mind. But wisdom is the reflection of it. Like at a particular situation, how our actions, how our thinking pattern is behaving, acting upon it, is what called as wisdom. So the more we'll study, the more we'll align to new information, we'll capture it. Our brain will keep it in subconscious mind, and at the right place, right time, you will get a lot of benefit out of it. And do take care of your health. Exercise, it improves the blood flow and it improves your motivation. Like, it's keep you motivated, and it's fine. Like, if anything went wrong, I can understand people are going through a lot of financial hardship and lot of relationship hardship, but it's all right. It happens. Life is full of ups and downs, and the more we'll face it, the more stronger we become. So let's accept it. And I do provide how you can overcome and how you can stick to your work, or how you can concentrate on your skills enhancement, or how you will feel motivated. Ask me, no worries. I'll try my level best to help you. And if you are not feeling like working or not feeling like studying, you can check different stuff. Just keep everything aside. Don't just jump into solving an array or iterating over objects. Try with silly thing. Think about what could be automated. Or if you are into a hardware sector, then think about which product could get a market. People's life will become easy. Then slowly, gradually, you come up to the granular labels where you can find different small content that is related to reflect that output, means that final product. So this will enhance your brain's capacity to think. Just get out of your mobile world or virtual world which we are running nowadays. Just uh, be with your natural way, because believe me, we and our brains are highly capable than these clouds, this web world. Definitely we need to contribute our skills and our stuff to web world. It's a faster way of communication with the world, but we must also enhance our own skills. So that's pretty much, and the idea about this video is to capture what's going on around there. And sometimes we are busy doing our job, our work, we won't understand where we are capable of helping people. So I'm always open. Just let me know any problem you are facing while studying or any skills you are stuck at. If I know that skill, definitely I will help you right there, or if I don't know, I'll try to see if anything can be done for that. There is huge lot of materials available online free, and also there are courses. If you are not a free buy, you want proper study, there are courses you can go for. But still, if you are having financial problem, it's not an issue. You can try for the free courses. I myself studied all the free courses, and after that I did my job and pursued a long career, and now I am doing all this. So it's easy, everything is fine, no need to worry. And students, don't be hopeless, start creating something, so that post pandemic, when we will come out to the market, you have lot of project to show off your skills. How do you gonna show off, right? So be prepared for that. There are free sites, free hosting sites as well, clouds, where you can store and expose your products, projects, or whatever you will do. So all the best, stay connected, stay happy, and keep smiling. It's the medicine for any kind of problem, and that's what drives my day. I hope you all will stay safe. Love you a lot. Take care.